Hi people, I Aishwarya welcome you all to my channel Desi Nari. In today's video, we will learn how to make simple yet elegant Kundan necklace set. My tutorial is helpful for those who have just started to make Kundan jewelry and they have to learn basic techniques of Kundan jewelry making. So do watch this video till the end. If you are new here, I request you to subscribe to my channel and press the bell notification so that we can meet on a regular basis to make such amazing jewelry making tutorials like this in the future. And now, without wasting time, let's get started. So the material required is kundans. We have taken this type of kundans, but it's up to you what you have to take. There are lots of varieties of kundans available in the market, so you can choose out as per the availability, and also you can choose different colors of kundans, as I have taken pink and green over here. Then pearl laurels, laria or sprintles, then zero size pearl beads, jump ring, cutter and plier, necklace dori. Then these are the agate beads. So I have taken this pink color, and also I have taken green color to match with the pink green kundans, but over here I am gonna show you with the green kundan. So I am taking these pink kundans to show in the tutorial, and yeah, so we'll start. For that, first I am taking this laria, and I am taking this zero size, and we'll take the zero size gold pearl beads. So first I am taking this laria, and I have already cutted them in half, and I'll add this zero size pearl bead in that. And then I'm gonna add this agate bead. This is 5 mm agate bead. It's a glass bead, and then I'll add 3-4 pearl laurels in that. So we need to add 3, 4, 5, like it's up to you how much you need to add them. You can add up to you. So I have added 5 over here, and you can see this is how it looks. Isn't it looking so pretty? Now I'm gonna take this kundan. So you can see there is a hole over here that is given already, and we're going to insert this laria from this hole, and then we'll wrap it in the end like this. So we have to wrap until and this laria is there. So we'll have 3 to 4 wraps like this, and this is how we have attached our one agate bead. So in the same way we have to attach the another agate bead. So I'll quickly do that, and we'll so guys, I have attached this to both agate beads, and this is how pretty our kundan looks like. So you can see, isn't it so pretty? So in the same way we have to make a lots of agate kundans, and they will be in the combination of pink green and also pink green pink like this. So this is pink green combination, then again there will be a green and pink combination, and so on. So we have to make a combination of like 10 to 12 kundans, and so I have already made them, and these are those. So you can see this is the sequence that we are gonna attach our necklace in. So now we are gonna attach them with the help of the jump ring. So I'm taking these jump rings, and we'll take one jump ring and we'll open it, and then we'll take one kundan. So you can take up any like pink or green kundan, up to you. You can see there is a hole over here to the left side, so we'll attach the jump ring in this. We'll insert the whole jump ring in that, and it's very tricky process that you'll learn gradually. So, and then I'll take the pink kundan, and you can see there's a hole again over here, so we'll just insert it in that hole. So this is how we have to attach the whole necklace, and we have to be very careful, and this is a very delicate process. And then with the help of plier we are gonna fix this jump ring very tightly. So I'm gonna take this plier and we'll fix this jump ring. So in the beginning you need a very patient. So I have attached this both kundans with the help of the jump ring, and you can see this is how we have to fix it, and we have to make sure that we have attached the jump ring very tightly because the whole game depends on that. And then in the same way we have to add all this. Like now I'll attach the green kundan to it, then pink, then green, and also I have already I have attached it, and this is how it looks. So isn't it looking so nice, guys? Now we're gonna attach the necklace dori to this. So this is how it looks from the back side also. So I'm taking this necklace dori and we are gonna attach it again with the help of jump ring. So I'll take one jump ring, I'll open it, and you can see there's a hole over here to the necklace dori. So we'll insert the jump ring in this, and then again we have a holes over here to the kundans, and so we'll attach a jump ring in this. If you want to add more thickness to this, you can add 2 jump rings instead of the 1. So again you have to be very careful while doing it and make sure that you won't get harmed by yourself. So again if you need, you can take the help of the plier and attach it. So in this way, guys, we have attached this to one side of the necklace. So you can see we have attached it to the one side of the necklace. Now in the same way I'm gonna attach it to the another side, so I'm quickly doing it. If you are enjoying my technique till now, do hit the like button. So guys, you can see I have attached this, and this is how it looks. So with this, how this choker is ready. And now for the earrings, so I have followed the same process of making these charms. Like I have added pink kundans, I have added green agate beads to it, and then to add the back side. So what I have done is, this is a tricky process now again. So what you have to do is, you don't have to use the normal glue, but you have to go in any electric hardware shop and ask them to for the glue which is used for the jewelry making. So they will give you the glue. Over here it's a Vetra, so it's a very flexible glue, like a Fevi Bond, like a Feviquick, and you can see this is how it's just like a water, but it sticks very well. So I have attached this glue to the kundans, and I have kept it for like 2-3 hours to get it dry very nicely, and you can see it has got stuck, and it's very easily available in the hardware store. So you can just go and ask for the glue, and you can see how tightly it gets stuck. So with this, these earrings are also ready. Ta-da! So our necklace set is finally ready. So you can see we have made this beautiful necklace. I have tried to show you in a very simple steps. You will surely love to make this necklace, and also if you want to gift someone, this is a great option. So do try to make this necklace. Do like, share and comment on this video. Do subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon so that you won't miss any tutorial from us. Thank you so much for watching my video till the end. See you in the next video.